of course, we've got a nice buy trade up here, turning into a sell trade at the top edge, starts diverging into the top edge here. It doesn't yet cross over, but the divergence is always going to get your uh, the fact that you've got a red into a high price and you start seeing that divergence appearing. You know that means that you're getting that max sell coming in, so you're starting to look for the short. It doesn't develop. The buyer's coming back in here on green, but obviously it's still sell side business here. And then it does go sell side, but it doesn't go very far. Turns back grey when it presses back to the top edge on green. That's just normal business going through. And then it turns grey and it turns red at the bottom edge. That's normal business. As it goes forward, interestingly enough, we start seeing the change here. You see how we go crossover here on green? So obviously you can see that as we trade into the bottom edge, very similar to what happened up here where we traded into the top edge and we were getting that very obvious crossover developing. It became quite obvious that we were likely to be looking at a buy trade into this retested low because it was colored green. Now, that's what Max is telling us to do in terms of get the trade long at this stage. And this is trying to help you get that trade on as far as a long trade is concerned. Now, what happened next, of course, is that the trade took off, of course. And you saw, obviously, that's what happened next in terms of the color scheme. So we've went from a 440 bottom edge price to a 700 top edge price for about 260 points or $5,200 per contract on the colors. I think that's pretty good, personally. I think that's pretty good.